Imagine achieving a strong, toned body without ever stepping foot in a gym. No equipment needed, just your own body weight. Sounds too good to be true. Watch this video to the end, where we'll guide you through 7 highly effective exercises that can transform your physique and elevate your fitness in just 1 month, all from the comfort of home. And don't miss the final exercise. It's a powerhouse move that builds muscle and burns fat simultaneously. Ready to step up your fitness? Let's dive in. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core, lower back, and legs for stability. This full-body workout builds muscle mass and strength in key areas, particularly the chest and shoulders. Over 4 weeks, consistent push-up practice can create noticeable muscle tone and definition. Plus, push-ups strengthen the core, improving posture and balance, resulting in a firmer, more stable midsection with every rep. To continue building muscle, gradually increase intensity by adding reps, trying advanced variations, or reducing rest time. Push-ups burn more calories than isolated exercises by activating multiple muscles at once. High-intensity push-ups or circuits can boost fat burning, promoting a leaner physique. As you build muscle, your resting metabolic rate rises, helping you burn more calories even at rest. After 4 weeks, expect improved muscle tone and fat reduction, leading to a more defined athletic appearance, especially when combined with other fat-burning activities. How to do push-ups correctly. Start in a face-down position with a straight line from head to heels. Keep your feet together and place your hands shoulder-width apart. Inhale as you bend your elbows to lower your body, keeping it straight and your core engaged. Exhale as you push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a high-intensity, full-body aerobic exercise that increases heart rate and boosts cardiovascular health by engaging the legs, arms, and core. They enhance circulation and improve heart function, which can lower resting heart rate and reduce heart disease risk with consistent practice over 4 weeks. With regular effort, your body builds endurance, enabling more repetitions with less fatigue. This stamina also benefits activities like running and cycling. Jumping jacks are efficient for calorie burning, supporting fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. By working multiple muscle groups, they boost calorie expenditure, promoting fat loss and a leaner physique over time. Jumping jacks tones several muscles, building strength and endurance. The jumping motion strengthens the legs, glutes, and calves, while consistent engagement of the abs and obliques improves core stability, aiding posture and defining the midsection. The arms and shoulders also benefit, gaining endurance and tone. Jumping jacks enhance coordination and balance by requiring synchronized upper and lower body movements. And the core engagement strengthens stability, reducing injury risk. To perform jumping jacks, stand upright. Inhale, jump, and spread your legs wider than shoulder width while raising your arms overhead simultaneously. Ensure arms and legs move together, then jump back to the starting position and repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 60 seconds each. Number 3. Glute bridges. Glute bridges are an excellent exercise for activating and strengthening the glutes, important for both aesthetics and functional movement. They also engage the hamstrings, making it a comprehensive lower body exercise. Glute bridges strengthen and stabilize the lower back, reducing injury risk, relieving back pain, and improving posture. They build core strength by activating the abs and lower back muscles for stability, which enhances balance, athletic performance, and helps prevent falls. Strengthening the posterior chain, including glutes and lower back, improves posture and reduces injury risk. Glute bridges promote hip mobility, reducing potential issues in the knees, hips, and lower back. While primarily a strengthening move, glute bridges can support fat loss and body composition as part of a balanced routine. They activate large muscle groups, increasing calorie burn, and as you build muscle, your metabolism improves, leading to a firmer lower body and overall muscle tone. To perform glute bridges, lie on your back with knees bent at a 90-degree angle and feet flat on the floor, arms at your sides. Exhale as you lift your pelvis until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold briefly, inhale, then slowly lower your pelvis. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 4. Squats. Squats are highly effective for strengthening the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, leading to increased muscle mass and definition. Squats improve leg strength, benefiting activities like running and cycling, and help tone and lift the glutes for a firmer, more defined appearance. Squats also play a key role in core strength, as the abdominals and lower back stabilize the body during movement. Activating the core with squats improves posture and reduces injury risk while enhancing balance and coordination. Squats support fat loss and improve body composition when combined with a balanced diet and cardio. They engage large muscle groups, boosting calorie burn, and performing squats with higher intensity accelerates fat loss. Squats increase resting metabolic rate, promoting fat burning, so within 4 weeks, you'll notice a leaner physique and improved muscle definition. Squats also improve flexibility, mobility, and posture by strengthening the lower body and core. Strong glutes and core muscles enhance posture and reduce back pain, and squats improve flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, promoting better movement and reducing stiffness. To perform squats, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Inhale as you lower your body, pausing at the lowest point, keeping your back straight and focusing on deep breathing. Exhale as you push back up. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 5. Lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise to strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. After just 4 weeks, you'll notice firmer, stronger legs. They also tone and lift the glutes, giving you a sculpted backside. Lunges improve coordination and stability, which helps build core strength by engaging the abdominals and lower back, enhancing posture, and reducing the risk of injury. By requiring control of your body weight on one leg, lunges help improve balance and coordination. They also contribute to fat loss by increasing lean muscle mass, boosting your resting metabolic rate, and improving body composition for a more athletic look. Additionally, lunges enhance flexibility and mobility in your hips, knees, and ankles, stretching the hip flexors and alleviating tightness from prolonged sitting. Lunges help maintain joint mobility, correct muscle imbalances, and improve posture by strengthening muscles around the spine and pelvis. Strong glutes, hamstrings, and a stable core reduce back pain and help you stand taller. Lunges also protect your hips and knees from injury while promoting overall joint health. How to perform lunges. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight. Step forward with one leg, ensuring your front leg creates a right angle and your back leg is bent at a right angle while remaining on your toes. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 6. Plank. Planks are one of the most effective exercises for building core strength. They engage your rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back, leading to improved muscle tone and endurance. Regular planking results in a firmer, more defined midsection, increased abdominal definition, and reduced belly fat. A strong core supports the lower back, reducing injury risks and alleviating back pain. Planks improve spinal stability, posture, and overall body balance by engaging multiple muscle groups. While targeting the core, planks also activate the shoulders, chest, and legs, enhancing overall strength and control. Planks are excellent for burning calories due to their isometric nature, which elevates your heart rate. By building muscle and reducing body fat, planks help achieve a toned and sculpted physique. They also improve posture and spinal alignment, promoting an upright stance and reducing back pain. How to perform a plank? Start by lying on your elbows, ensuring they're aligned under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, with legs straight and engaged. Perform 3 sets of 60 seconds each. Number 7. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity exercise that significantly improves cardiovascular endurance. They elevate your heart rate, strengthen your heart, and enhance circulation. This exercise also intensely engages your core, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back, building strength and stability. A stronger core supports better posture, making it easier to maintain an upright stance. Mountain climbers target multiple muscle groups, such as the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, while also working the shoulders, chest, and arms to build upper body strength. The high intensity of mountain climbers promotes fat loss and enhances body composition by burning a significant number of calories. Regularly performing this exercise helps create a calorie deficit, boosting your metabolic rate and continuing calorie burn even after your workout. This results in a leaner physique and improved muscle definition. Mountain climbers also improve coordination and balance by engaging stabilizing muscles, reducing the risk of falls. How to perform mountain climbers? Start in a plank position with your arms straight and core engaged. Quickly bring one knee toward your chest, then switch to the opposite knee in a running motion. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more health and fitness advice. See you soon.